up, my YT homies? It's Salifia, and I'm coming in at you with another video. And yes, I still have on this same shirt, but anyway, we're not even gonna look at that because I've done several videos with this same shirt on, but it's okay. So in this video, I'm coming at you with a Shein try-on haul. I have never, ever purchased from Shein, and I purchased these items, I believe it was on July 25th, July 24th, something like that, and it claims I had priority mail 3-day. Today it's the 11th of August, and these items came on Friday the 9th, if I'm not mistaken. Or was it Saturday? But anyway, so I haven't even opened this up yet. I do not know anything about Shein or their sizing. I would watch videos of people doing haul try-ons with them, but as far as my body and how they will fit, I do not know. So I didn't know what category to shop in. So I'm going to open this now, and hopefully I purchase items that I can actually fit. So the first thing I pull out, and I can already tell this material is not all that. It feels just so thin. It feels so thin. It does. So it's a Ziploc type bag. This I purchased in a size large, and it is a dress. Yeah, this material is kind of thin. Definitely going to need something up under it because you can see through this. I'm gonna need a slip. So yeah, this, like I said, this is a size large. So let me just let y'all know I like polka dots. The next item is a black and white polka dot dress, and this one I purchased in a size 0XL. If you look at it, it has, I think this may be a little too big, I'm not sure, but it has two different size polka dots on it. One side, the polka dots are bigger than they are on the other side, and this one is see-through as well, so I'm going to need something on up under that. What is this? I don't know. what is this? Oh, okay, so this is a little dress, and this one I purchased it in a size large. Okay, y'all, so this has been the worst season for me and my allergies and my sinus issues. So you may see me in this video as well as other videos dealing with my sinus issues. So please do excuse that. I'm taking my medicine, but it is just really bad right at this moment. Also, I almost didn't do this haul because several items were too big and I ended up sending them back. One item that was a little too big, which is the pink dress that you're about to see, I kept it, but it's a little too big, but I did like it. Also, the red and white polka dot outfit dress, and then the blue and white polka dot dress, it fit, but the arms didn't fit, and that's because my arms are a little bit big right now, as you all can see. So hopefully, you know, that won't interfere with things for too much longer. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. It's this stuff is kind of pretty thin. I can see through this as well, so I'm definitely going to need slips with these items, but it's a good thing that the material is not too thick because it's really hot around here right now, so that's gonna come in handy. But it's just a pink, blush pink dress, and like I said, I purchased this in a large as well, so don't judge me. Here's another black and white polka dot dress. Golly, when I tell y'all, this stuff is so like thin and see-through. This one, where's the sizing on this one? What size is this? It's a size large as well, and it is see-through as well. Now this is pretty thick. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. This is something that's definitely going to be for the winter time. Oh, it's a dress. It is a dress. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so cute with some boots. And this is a 0XL, so I hope it's not too big, but some boots and some leggings. And of course, I'm gonna have to put like a cardigan, not a cardigan, a cami up under it because it's very low cut. But yeah, this is definitely gonna be for the winter time. Y'all, what was I thinking? What was I thinking? Oh my goodness, what was I thinking? Here is another polka dot number, and this is a blue one that's just like the red one I had, and of course, so this one is in a large as well, and this is very thin, just like the pink, the red one was, burgundy, red, whatever color you want to call it. And then this is the last item And of course, these things were like 90 something dollars for all these items from Shein, and there was like a code or something that they gave me for being a first time shopper or what have you, so I got a little discount, as well as they gave me some points because you can earn points on Shein. But they sent me an email a day before it came saying something about the shipping taking longer than it should have, so they gave me 300 points on my account. So as long as these items fit me well, then I kind of know like how to order from them and their sizing, because of the way my body is shaped. I didn't know whether to go into the women's or whether to go into the plus sizes. So all of the large items definitely come from the women's size, and the 0XL comes from the plus size. And as I said, I set the size on each item, and when I'm editing the video, I'll put the size in the bottom of the video. And I'll also go back and try to see if I can link all of these items in the description box, just in case you want to go and check them out. And so the last item is actually, oh, okay. I forgot about this. This is actually in a 1XL. I don't know what made me get this thing in a 1XL. Maybe it won't be too big, but this is a jumper. And I purchased this jumper, I think, for our little trip. Yeah, I know what I got it in a 1XL for, because of my thighs. Not because of my top, but because of my thighs. So, and it has like a little string, little thing right here. So, like I said, I'm trying to delve into the romper type of category, the bodysuit romper type of category. So I'm hoping that fits me cute and looks good on me. So that is it for this video. Thank you all so much once again for checking out another one of my videos. I do appreciate it. Thank you so much for your support. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video across all your social media sites. And until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side.